Hello, and thank you for clicking on this video. Let's try this again. Hello, and thank you for clicking on my video. I want to personally thank you for stopping by because I know there are thousands of other channel and creators out there that you can invest your time into, so the fact that you came here and you stopped by means something to me. Literally, it means the world to me because Trading with a Dummy is an educational entertainment channel that I poured my heart and soul into. I started this with my family by taking a big risk to focus on my interests and my family. So this episode is for me to introduce myself and my story so you have at least an idea of why I want to earn your sub, your like, and your follow. I also want to give a special thanks to Rashad and Troy from Earn Your Leisure, Mark Monroe from the Come Up series, and Ian Dunlap from Red Panda. They all have played a pivotal role in setting up the groundwork for me to shift my mindset through mentorship and education. That's why I'm here today. And of course, if you like this shirt, I support small businesses. This is my family member. It's called Louddpax. It's a lifestyle brand. I'm gonna put the link below. You can click on there and support them if you would like to, but you will see this shirt in quite a few videos. Again, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
In the hours that I've known, and of all of my woes, are the cause to lay you low. I demand they turn cold. You set me free.
I take lives to protect lives. 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 An American hero.
Does it take its toll? I'm reminded of the cold.
Daddy! What's up, guys? How you doing?
Good.
How was school?
Good.
Did you learn anything important?
Yes, we did. I did.
What'd you learn?
I learned about that rhinos are being extinct.
What about you? What'd you learn?
Stocks and off.
You learned stocks in school, or you mean after school you learned about stocks?
After school.
Green means what?
Good.
Red means what?
Bad.
Perfect.
So, how was EYL today?
Good. Listen to it on the way home as usual. Every time I watch one of those episodes, it makes me feel like I could do something different besides the military. So.
And I saw that you were watching this new show. What was it called?
Oh, that's the Come Up series. Yeah, it's a new show. It's got some guy named Mark Monroe. Seems like a pretty cool guy. It's about options. So you know how to do stocks? This is doing stocks, but like in a different way. So, time for bed.
Can you tuck us in?
Of course I can tuck you in. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna race to the top. Go!
Where's Dad?
I think he's in the main cave trading right now.
Come in.
Hi, Dad. I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Why are you always so sad?
What do you mean?
Every time you come home, you're sad, but when you're doing your stuff, you're always happy.
I guess you're right.
Look, I know you're in the military, but what do you exactly do there?
It's really stuff I can't talk about.
Why don't you just quit your job and do stocks and videos?
I can't really do that. That's not how the military works.
I have an idea. I'll mean you make a channel called Training with a Dummy. And me too.
Was she?
She's been here the whole time.
Why a dummy?
Because I always hear you screaming and calling yourself dumb.
Touche.
Basically meaning you could do skits, funny videos to educate people. I want to see you happy doing the things that you want to do. And I care about you. I love you.
I love you too.
Yeah, so talk to you later. Remember, Training with a Dummy is going to change people's lives.